Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth at home for dogs. Start by selecting raw meaty bones and a slow cooker or large stock pot. Roast bones briefly for richer flavor, then cover with filtered water and add apple cider vinegar and optional veggies. Simmer gently for 12 to 24 hours, skimming foam occasionally, then cool, strain, remove excess fat, and store broth in airtight containers for feeding. Gently simmering is the secret to a rich, gelatinous broth dogs love and tolerate well. Maintain a low simmer and keep the pot partially covered so evaporation is slow and steady. Check every few hours to skim foam and add water if needed to keep bones submerged. Use roasted bones for better depth of flavor and add carrots or parsley for mild nutrition, but avoid onions, garlic, and excessive salt for safety. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more pet cooking guides. It really helps. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make storing and portioning homemade bone broth a breeze, and they keep your fridge neat when you freeze portions. I find them perfect for transporting chilled broth without spills and for meal prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Always prioritize safety when offering bone broth to dogs by straining well and cooling completely before removing fat. Portion into single-serving containers so you can thaw only what you need and avoid waste. Start with small amounts mixed into regular food and watch for any digestive changes or sensitivities. If your dog has pancreatitis or specific health issues, consult your veterinarian before adding homemade broth to their diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.